Tucked into the narrow bylanes of Dadar on Gokhale Road is an unearthed cricketing treasure which will be nothing but a feast for cricket lovers. Yes, we are talking about the second generation owner, Theo Braganza, a historian, a librarian, and owner of Marine Sports, a shop which has been around for more than 78 years since 1948. His father started the revolution and his son kept the baton alive. It was his father who started importing cricket biographies, rule books, and books on important topics related to cricket from foreign countries to India. His father would keep a stall during Ranji matches and other sporting events to sell the books, and that's how they began this humble journey, which went on to impact the lives of thousands of cricketers and cricket lovers worldwide. A shop which has revived the fledgling careers of many cricketers, helping them understand the game and opponents better, or getting their biographies published at peak stage of their careers. A shop which has helped many people related to cricket understand the game better, and a shop which has kept the history of cricket alive. It is time to acknowledge such hidden gems in our documentary, which covers the unsung heroes of cricket.
Got about 90 odd books that we have published
on cricket.
on sports. Maybe there'll be about 75 on cricket only. What we publish again is a contribution what we have. I'll just show you one book. Anyone is doing the history of Indian cricket, he has to have this book. And we didn't publish, but we reprinted this book. And again, this is part which is keeping the Indian history, cricket history going because of books like these. It has been a great contribution that we have done over the years. Besides supplying to all the institutes and academies and training centers, we have also developed libraries all over the country. Old time mein, people like Vijay Merchant, people like Anandji Dosa, people like Vasant Raiji, Sudhir Vaidya, they were regular customers at वो टाइम जमाने में विजय मर्चेंट आता था तो सब लोग देते हैं विजय मर्चेंट अंकल के पास आ गया तो वो लोग सब जमा होता था नीचे हम लोग सेकेंड फ्लोर पे था तो सब जमा होता था तो ऐसा चालू हो गया तो we had already spread out all over the country and that time we were the only, even today we are the only bookseller in the country. So people like Sunil Gavaskar, who was very fond of reading, he was, after Vijay Merchant, I could say Sunil Gavaskar was the next generation, was the next cricketer who was well read. He used to come the moment the Kanga League is over or a Kanga match is over, cancelled. He used to come here and see, Theo, what have you got, whatever new you got. Before going to Australia, month of June, July, उसने मेरे को पूछा, you get me this Australian cricket yearbook. क्या तो Australian cricket yearbook आके sold out हो गया था. बाद में गवास्कर every Sunday आता था, वो मेरे को पूछता था, where's my Australian cricket, where's my Australian cricket. It was almost August, and October they were going to Australia. No, it's August. When will you supply me? When will you get me? My father asked me, we'll get it by air. We are getting everything by sea mail over there. We'll get it by air. Will Sunil pay? He asked me at that time. I said, no, get me by air. Now I'm also wondering, मैं भी अब सोच रहा था कि ये क्रिकेटर ऑस्ट्रेलिया को जा रहा है अक्टूबर में, तो why he wants to think by air here before he goes? मंगा के उसको दे दिया. वो टाइम में I realized that this cricketer was studying his opponent from books. Like Vijay Merchant. Vijay Merchant also studied his opponent from books. Because there was no visual this thing. Even television was not there at that time. Doordarshan was not there. So he was studying his opponent from books. And then I knew that what I'm doing. I thought that if people are buying books, they'll read and then they'll think. But then I realized that I'm contributing to the sport. Biographies of all the cricketers because that's a must. ये क्योंकि ऑटोबायोग्राफी है जो इनसाइड है ऑफ अ क्रिकेटर. लाइक मैं आपको बोल देता है कि सनी डेज इज पब्लिश्ड समवेयर इन 90s. ये अजून तक उसका ग्रैंडफादर उसका ग्रैंडसन के लिए लेते हैं. It is so popular, and till today it is in print. The beauty about coming to marine sport is this. See, when you buy a book from marine sports, you may get this book anywhere in the world, any other bookshop. But here it is signed by Vishwanath. This is the beauty of coming to me. You'll get autographed copies, autobiographies like see Yuvraj Singh is here, Kevin Peterson is here, Saurav Ganguly is there. So there are a lot. Ponting is there.
Ponting.
Sunil Gavaskar biographies and autobiographies ये पूरा section है.
Correct.
Spinel Lara. Ode is there. Madhav Apte is there.
Amazing.
Like Clive Lloyd. You won't get this book anywhere.
Correct.
Shane Warne है, Glenn McGraw है, Wasim
Wasim Akram.
Chappell है.